Epidermolysis bullosa, also called EB, is a group of genetic conditions that can cause paper-like skin. Skin is very fragile and will blister easily. People with this disorder will blister and bleed from small instances of friction or injury. Even scratching an itch could lead to injury. EB is a disorder of the connective tissue in our bodies. It is caused by a mutation in the COL7A1 gene, which provides the instructions for making proteins used in collagen. Collagen gives structure and strength to connective tissue. Collagen is responsible for anchoring the top layer of the skin to the underlying tissue. Insufficient collagen causes skin to slough right off the underlying dermis at any sign of friction. This separation of skin layers leads to blisters, which can lead to extensive scarring. It can also lead to an increased risk of skin cancer in some of the more severe forms of the disorder. EB is an inherited disorder. In more serious versions of the disorder, it is caused by a recessive trait that shows up on the COL7A1 gene. Both parents must have a copy of the mutation for the offspring to develop EB. The more milder forms of EB are dominant and only require one parent to have the gene for the child to develop this disorder. EB is quite rare. It is estimated that 6.5 per million newborns are affected with a milder form, while only 1 per million are afflicted with a more severe form. EB is not curable, but symptoms can sometimes be managed with antibiotic creams and ointments. In more severe cases, dressings must be applied and changed daily to prevent infection. There are 4 types of EB: EB simplex or EBS, junctional or JEB, dystrophic EB or DEB, or Kindler syndrome. EB sufferers live each day in unimaginable pain. They wake up the next morning and do it again. This is a disorder that needs to be further understood so better treatments can be developed. Raising awareness of this disorder can help in raising funds that can be used in developing those treatments.
This next question is going to be a bit deep and philosophical, but we're friends, why not? Do you believe life has a purpose, and if so, what is the purpose of your life?
I don't know. I know everything should happen for a reason, and I think that every once in a while when I meet someone and they say that, I've helped them, sometimes it's, hard to think, how did I help you, but after 16 years of, meeting so many people saying, you're an amazing person and stuff like that, and maybe I've started to believe them, and maybe I do something right. So this is the entertainment of helping other people and bringing on